What are traditional Irish wedding songs? Have you ever wondered what makes an Irish wedding so special? One key element is the music that fills the air with joy and celebration. Traditional Irish wedding songs are a beautiful blend of history, folklore, and romance. They play a vital role in creating an atmosphere of love and community during these special occasions. Irish traditional music is known for its lively rhythms and soulful melodies. Instruments like the fiddle, flute, and bodhrán bring these songs to life. The music is not just for entertainment, it symbolizes joy and the coming together of families and friends. When it comes to specific traditional Irish wedding songs, there are several that stand out. Processional songs are played as the wedding party walks down the aisle. Popular choices include See Big Seymour, Give Me Your Hand, and The Star of the County Down. These songs set a lovely tone for the ceremony, welcoming everyone to witness the union of two people in love. During the reception, the music continues to play an important role. Traditional songs like She Moved Through the Fair and The Galway Shawl are often featured. These songs keep the atmosphere lively and festive, encouraging guests to dance and celebrate the newlyweds. In addition to traditional songs, modern Irish favorites have also found their way into weddings. Songs like Dreams by the Cranberries and Signal Fire by Snow Patrol blend contemporary style with Irish roots. These tunes resonate with both younger and older generations, making them popular choices for couples today. If you are attending an Irish wedding while traveling in Ireland, understanding the cultural significance of the music can truly enhance your experience. You might even find yourself learning a few traditional dances or songs to join in the celebration. For those planning a wedding in Ireland, incorporating traditional Irish music can add a unique and memorable touch to both the ceremony and reception. Whether you are a guest or a participant, immersing yourself in the music and traditions of an Irish wedding is a wonderful way to connect with the local culture. So, the next time you find yourself at an Irish wedding, let the music guide you into the heart of this beautiful celebration.